I think this is a new record of how early I have received my Ipsy box. It's April 7th, especially today being a holiday. I have not received a box in a while. These come in the pouches. Boxycharm by Ipsy. They're merging. So yeah, there's a lot of changes this month. So let's go ahead and see. First thing I see is I have no bag. Like, I wasn't aware of this. I didn't do a lot of research of what was happening this month, but I guess because this is Boxycharm now, we don't get a bag. I don't know. Let's see what it says here. So we're getting a big page here. It says Boxycharm by Ipsy, same great subscription you know and love, and with more perks than ever. Here, whoa, what is all of this? Epic deals, personalized picks, more choice than ever. You choose 3. Bigger brands for all. Okay, that I like. Like, I want to see more brands that I really want to try. Of course, like, discovering new brands is cool, but we really want those brands that are super pricey. To choose 3 of these items. Before we get started opening this up, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jenz BeautyStyle. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Should be receiving my Ipsy glam bag soon. Bozzy Beauty setting powder. I love testing out setting powders. This is a 0.14 ounce. It is in translucent, and I do review these products individually in separate videos. Well, the ones that I really find interesting. If not, I'll just do shorts for them. I do also put videos on TikTok and Instagram if you would like to follow me. It is Jenz BeautyStyle and all my socials. Looks like a nice size. Cruelty free, and this is made in China. Okay. Took this off. We got a powder. It was St. Lux. Pretty sure I did a video, if not shorts. That thing was terrible. It literally was more like a highlighter. I don't know. And I have oily skin, so I don't expect my setting powder to be like a highlighter. That was traumatizing for me. Wow. Bare Minerals. This is a brand that I like. Tiny. This is tiny. Hold on. It says Warmth. So I'm guessing this is like a bronzer or something. Made in the USA. All over the face color. I've never really like bronzed my whole face. I usually just like contour, so it would be interesting to check. Again, it comes, look, very similar. They come exactly with the same design here, which you just have to like pop this off. That's interesting. That'll be really interesting. I'm really scared to like bronze like my whole face. I don't know how that would work out. This I believe I picked. Do have their setting powder. I believe it's talc free. I love it. LYS Beauty No Limits Cream Bronzer Stick. Cruelty free, vegan, gluten free. And this is a 0.25 ounce. I've done a cream contour because of items that I received in Ipsy, but as of now, because my taste changes, like before I liked no cream products, now I use some cream products like blush. It's just because I have oily skin and we tend to gravitate more to powders than creams. Let me know if you're like that too. This is in the shade Harmony, and I like their design. Everything's like triangle shape. Alright, so let's look at this. Very nice packaging. Definitely worth the money. I mean, if you like none of the products that you get, then of course it doesn't matter the brands. It's gonna be a waste of money unless you gift it or something. That would be amazing gifts, or sell it. So let's see. Ooh, look at that. I mean, the shape looks great to like contour, but I'm really scared. That looks, I mean, it looks darker here than when I'm showing it to you. But that'll be interesting to see. Never ever tried a product like this, but I do believe I picked it. The brand is not that expensive. Like, to be at Sephora is not that expensive. Ooh, another product by Wonder Beauty. I guess they're putting a lot of Wonder Beauty in Ipsy Boxycharm, whatever this is now, Ipsy Boxycharm. Alright, so this is Wonder Beauty Sweet Escape. I did receive another product from the Wonder Beauty brand in last month's Ipsy, and I reviewed it. It was a really nice product. It was like a face palette. Wonder Beauty is made in Taiwan. Does have the bunny. Yourself on a sweet escape with this perfectly curated collection of matte and shimmery neutral and bold shades that take you effortlessly from day to play wherever you wander. Very nice. Nice light pink shade. Let's see. It is actually very pretty now. First I'm like, but the more I look at it, the more I'm like, there's some shades. Let me stop talking and show you. Like these two shades here, like I don't even know what to say. Oh my god. One is called On Holiday, the other one's called Carry On. But then this shade is Sweet Dreams and First Class. I don't know. I love that you get some mattes, not a lot. You're getting, okay, 4 mattes. That's not bad. Which is this one. I think this is very necessary for like a transition shade. This if you want to do some like smoky session there. And then this is a really nice shade. I would love this for like all over the lid. So I can't wait to do a video with this. Oh my god. I really hope it shows up how it's looking there. Just look at that. Seriously? Gorgeous. I picked this. I don't know. I really don't remember. Another palette. Oh my gosh, another palette. Packaging. Oh, okay. I did pick that because I remember this was included. They picked this. This is by Natasha Denona. A really nice brand. The colors are okay. I have received several Natasha Denonas in Ipsy and Boxycharm. This is really warm. I like my cool tone shadows very much, but I play with some of these as well. Am I as excited to play with this one as the Wonder Beauty one? No. But yeah, this is nice, neutral, everyday. You get 3 mattes, which I like very much because I don't know about you, but I need mattes to create a look. I can't just do all shimmers here. Yeah, I'll be swatching them and see them looking so nice together. So nice. Like these two or these two, something like that. So exciting Natasha Denona. You know it's really pricey, so definitely I would say like 2 eyeshadow palettes, 2 bronzers, and a powder. Like I don't even remember how much it said because it tells you how much your box was worth for what you pay, which is 30 something, and it definitely went over 100 something. So really good box, very good benefit that you get to pick 3 of your items. We're not doing too bad for this month. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.